Choose a niche in which you will create content, but narrow it down to something more specific. Then write down 50 video ideas on a piece of paper and highlight the ones you would click on. If you're 50% less interested in the topic, and that are already on YouTube, those ideas will be the ideas you will use. Then start writing a script. Pay close attention to the hook, focusing on the key points I'm showing on the screen. Besides that, just be 10 times more yourself. Then set up your camera or microphone and record 3 tags afterward. Open your editing software. Here you're going to the editing style to your niche, so you don't end up with this style of editing in a bodybuilding niche aimed at grown man. Once you've completed everything, watch the video 2 times and go to sleep. Only after you had a good night's rest should you brainstorm titles, either drawing inspiration from other niches or coming up with your own. The title needs to promise something impactful that indeed happens in the video. And the same rule applies for thumbnails, but don't be a copycat and keep them as simple as possible. Hit upload and repeat this process once or twice a week. Additionally, whenever a video about storytelling as editing, script writing, or YouTube advice appears on your main page, click on it and watch it. This will fill your YouTube feed with useful advice instead of garbage. Lastly, grab the free advice list from the description so you don't waste time and subscribe to this channel.